Hello, Maranatha. I'm Deb Larson. With the weather getting colder, many of us have already prepared our yards and our gardens for the winter months. As you know, I love to garden and grow some of my own food. I've harvested all the vegetables from my garden, most of them anyway, some froze, and I prepared them for the winter months. For me to have a bountiful harvest, however, I needed to tend to my garden over the whole summer. One of the things I enjoy most, or maybe least, is pulling weeds to give my tomatoes, peppers, and the other plants room to grow. I always feel like God is talking to me about life as I pull weeds. Have you ever thought about the fact that Jesus is the original master gardener? In fact, in the story of the empty tomb, more specifically, John chapter 20, verse 15, Mary mistook Jesus for a gardener. What an interesting detail to be included in that story. Why do you think that's the case? Well, there are so many answers to that question. One could be that the gardener lovingly tends to his garden, doing their very best to provide an environment for growth. This includes ensuring the weeds don't come in and choke out the other plants in the garden. When a plant is choked out, it doesn't get the necessary oxygen, water, and nutrients needed to supply its root system. One of the lessons is to make sure that the whole weed, all the way to the root, is taken out to ensure that they don't return. As you already know, our theme verse for the year is Colossians 2:7. The entire staff at Maranatha is humbled to partner with you as parents to help pull the weeds in your child's life. It's not an easy job. Some weeds can be challenging to spot, and they keep coming back. But together, with the help of the Holy Spirit, we can produce an environment that allows our children to grow deep roots and be built up in Him, strengthened by their faith, and overflowing with thankfulness. As always, your prayers and support are appreciated. Together with the Master Gardener, we will produce a bountiful harvest. Stay rooted and built up in Him.